I caught a ghost vacuuming my living room. Meet Ernest. So there I was, 17, a high school dropout, living in Hawaii thanks to a buddy who made his cash selling weed back in school. We had this grand plan, swearing we'd never return. I landed a gig at a car wash on Kapiolani Boulevard. My job? Vacuum the right side of each car, front and back. Meanwhile, this guy Ernest handled the left side. Ernest was quite a character. He looked like he'd been through a fire. His hair was sparse, and he had this habit of talking to himself. Mostly, he ranted about how much he despised hippies and long-haired folks. Occasionally, I'd get tired of his mumbling and throw a comment his way. It was a strange routine, but somehow, it became part of my new life in Hawaii. That's the full story. Follow for more like it.